We're always on the go, which means it can be difficult to find a side hustle you can do from anywhere. By finding the right side hustle, you can reach your financial goals without having to be tied down to one place. Sounds amazing, right? In this video, we'll explore the best side hustles you can do from your phone, your income potential, and much more. Let's get started. Swagbucks. Taking online surveys is a simple and fast way to start earning money from your phone, and Swagbucks is one of the best options. With this side hustle app, you can earn money by taking surveys, watching videos, shopping online, and more. Swagbucks is one of our top ways to make money for a few reasons. You can cash out to your PayPal account, free $5 welcome bonus, sweet referral bonus when you invite friends. While you're not going to get rich and become a millionaire by using Swagbucks, it's an easy way to make a few bucks whenever you have a few minutes. Nielsen Panel. Don't have a ton of time and want to make money doing nothing? Using the Nielsen Panel is an effortless way to start making money from your phone without having to do anything. With this app, all you'll need to do is keep it installed on your phone, and you'll automatically start earning rewards that can be redeemed for gift cards to some of the most popular retailers. You can earn up to $50 per device per year, which means you can make up to $150 per year if you have 3 devices. Not too bad for simply having an app installed, right? If you want free money, using the Nielsen Panel is a no-brainer way to make money from your phone. Ibotta. Ibotta is another way to make money by doing something you already do: shopping. With Ibotta, you can earn cash back on your grocery store purchases, online shopping, and more. Ibotta is one of the highest-paying cashback apps, and they've partnered with hundreds of the most popular retailers and brands. You can cash out your earnings via PayPal or gift cards once you reach $20 in your account. The amount you can earn will ultimately depend on how much you spend, but it's possible to make a few $100s each month with this passive income app. Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars is another popular survey app you can use to make money from your cell phone whenever you have some free time. With this app, you can get paid to take surveys, watch videos, play games, and more. One of the things we like most about Inbox Dollars is that they are very upfront about how much money you'll make before completing a task. This can be helpful so you don't waste time on tasks that don't pay much. Additionally, you'll also get $5 free when you create a new account. So this is a great free money hack that's worth considering. Food delivery. If you have a phone and a car, another popular side hustle you can start with no money is food delivery with platforms like DoorDash. With this delivery side hustle, you can make up to $25 per hour and get paid to deliver food from local restaurants. This is a great way to earn extra money on the weekends or in your spare time during the week. Our favorite part of this side job is that you can work whenever you want to. There's no set schedule, so you can work as much or as little as you want. To get started, simply sign up with DoorDash below and start accepting deliveries in your area. Grocery delivery. Another option for making money with your phone and a car is grocery delivery with Instacart. You'll need your own vehicle and a clean driving record to get started with this side hustle, but it's a tremendous option for those who can make it work. With Instacart, you can earn up to $25 per hour delivering groceries from local stores to customers, and just like DoorDash, you can set your own schedule and work the hours you want. Sell stock photos. It's possible to make a full-time income from selling stock photos online, and it's a great option for those who love photography. If you have a knack for taking quality pictures, you can make some serious money by selling your photos to stock photo sites. One of the most popular stock photo sites is Shutterstock, which allows you to sell your photos and earn a commission every time one of your photos is sold. This is considered a passive side hustle because once your photos are uploaded, you can make money without doing any additional work. Making money selling stock photos is an excellent side hustle you can do from your phone. Start a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel is a great digital side hustle you can do from your phone. You can create a channel about anything that you're passionate about, and there's a good chance you can make money with it. To make money from YouTube, you'll need to monetize your channel with ads. After you reach 4,000 hours of watch time within 12 months and 1,000 subscribers, you can apply to monetize your channel. Once you're approved, you'll begin making money with display ads and start earning passive income. The amount of money you can make with this side hustle is limitless. Some channels can make millions of dollars each year from their efforts. It's important to note that having a laptop or computer can help with editing your videos and growing your channel more quickly, but it's not necessary to get started. Podcasting. Podcasting is another profitable form of content creation you can do from just your phone. Podcasts have exploded over the past few years, providing a great opportunity for many people to make money online. You can record your episodes from your phone using a simple recording app like Anchor. Once your episodes are recorded, you can upload them to popular podcasting platforms like iTunes and Stitcher. To make money from your podcast, you can monetize your show with ads or sponsorships. Some podcasters make a full-time income from their show and generate 6 figures per year. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can be a lucrative side hustle for many people, and it's one you can do from your phone from anywhere. To get started, you'll need an audience to promote products and services to. One of the best ways to grow an audience is to use social media. Once you have an audience, you can sign up for affiliate programs and start promoting products. Every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you'll earn a commission. It's important to think of your audience when deciding what products and services to promote. To be successful, you'll need to match the products and services you promote with the interests of your audience. For example, if you have a social media account about fashion, you could promote fashion-related products like clothing, shoes, and accessories. If you have a social media account about travel, you could promote travel-related products and services like travel insurance, hotels, and flights. The sky is the limit when it comes to affiliate marketing. You can make a full-time income from this side hustle if you're strategic about the products and services you promote.